Hi everyone, and welcome to part 2 of my last ever undergrad vlog. If you haven't already seen part 1, pause this video and click the link in the cards or in the description box below. Okay, if you're here now, then I'm assuming you watched part 1 and you're all caught up, so let's get into it. If you've seen any of my other vlogs, you may notice a trend in my breakfast of choice. Waffles will be my #1 for as long as I live. I also go through smoothie phases, but nothing beats a good waffle. And yes, I am aware these are toaster waffles, but they're still pretty good. I feel like I am constantly cleaning, but I like to do a little bit at a time so it doesn't pile up, unlike our dishes.
And I think that the sadness is just like from not feeling myself, because when I don't feel like
I was catching up with some emails because I neglected most of my regular responsibilities while I've been working on my thesis. And once again, it was time to work on my research.
hi.
I took a break and FaceTimed my family since it was Easter, and they sent me a little present that they wanted me to open while on the phone with them. That afternoon, I went to take some headshots and photos for a few of my friends on campus.
Getting super red fingerprints on my hands, or like on my.
I didn't film anything after that, but here are some photos that I took. Please ignore my horrendous posture. This may or may not be the reason my back always hurts. Yes, I was wearing 3 different outfits in these 3 clips, but that was because I was also filming a live study with me, so I ended up changing my outfit for that. But if you're interested, it is up on my channel and it will be linked in the cards. Later that day, Georgia and I went to campus to study outside. Okay, so I didn't vlog for a couple days, and the last clip you saw, I was sitting outside in shorts and a t-shirt, and it was really nice. And the next few clips are actually me getting out my winter coat to walk to campus because it was snowing and it was really cold. I have to go drop off my lab book in person, but I have to put it in my backpack because it is snowing. It's like the end of April and it's snowing. I had to submit my last assignment for my lab in person. I had an exam later that week, but this really felt like the end of things. Later that day, I decided I wanted to cut my hair short, so I went from deciding this to having short hair in the span of maybe an hour. It was a big change, but I really like how it turned out. I actually cut it myself with some help from Georgia, since things are still closed from Ontario being in like complete shutdown. I didn't really vlog for the next few days, but I added some clips from my Snapchat memories, and the next video you're seeing will actually be when I am home, so stay tuned for some home vlogs. And I guess that's it. This concludes my very last undergrad vlog ever. If you made it to this point in the video, definitely give this video a thumbs up and let me know what kind of videos you want to see in the future. and I hope you guys stick around and subscribe, and I will see you all next week with another video. Bye.